Okay, so yes. Okay, so hello everyone. Last day we just starting our advanced Python day one, that is Numpy session, and I hope everybody still got information about Numpy. Anybody have any query about Numpy basic or starting information? Anything about Numpy? Okay, so till now what we have covered, that what is Numpy, why use Numpy, and actually the Numpy, what actually the Numpy is faster, installation of Numpy, the importance, import, how we import Numpy, then creating the arrays. Okay, small brief about Numpy directory and what it looks like. Then there is Numpy, that creating arrays, and in the Python we till date we have working with the list, tuple, and how we make or use arrays using Numpy for faster program. Sorry. So that's actually we have shown. Now we are creating the n-dimensional array with the help of NDMIN with respective dimension putting, or otherwise in basic way, dimension of arrays, 0D arrays, 1D arrays, 2D arrays, 3D arrays. Then how we find NDIM, using NDIM argument we find the dimension of arrays. Then NDMIN, how we create higher dimensional arrays. After that, type of array. Okay, type of the element in the array. Check how many arrays is there, how many item and item size. Total item size means bit, bytes, everything else. Now from today, we are going on for the indexing, array indexing. So for array indexing, what should we have do? Okay, first of all, make a heading, find index. Okay. As you know, first of all, we should import NumPy. Whatever we have done in NumPy arrays, we should import it. Okay. Import NumPy as NP. Now, taking a random variable x, np dot array, then just random 9 arguments or 9 elements we have taken in a single array, 1D array. Okay. Now, just print x1 is to 4. Just print x1 is to 4. So what it should print? It should print 2, 3, 4. Why? Okay, so our array is just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is our 1D array. Okay. Now, indexing, we have to search this. So this is the index value, and this 4 is the number, you can say number values or number of item. Okay, so 1 is to 4, 1 colon 4. This is 0 index, this is 1 index. So starting from 2, then number value or number of item means this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Or you can say positioning value. Here it would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 14, 23, 22. It's any of the number. It would be here. But this is indexing value starting from 0, 1, 2, 3. and another portion, it would be positioning value is in the one position, this is this, in second position this is value this, in third position this is value this, and in the fourth position this is value this. Actually the string operation that already we have done in core Python. So in the fourth position, it would be the value itself here 4. So what it actually shows? It actually shows index 1 means from 2 to positioning 4 means the value 4 means it only show 2, 3, 4. So that is the answer. I am giving again one more example. Okay. Just to hear 15, 23, 73, 94, 35, 76, 72, 88, and this would be 59. Okay. And then we just want to print x starting here. 3 is to 5. So what actually it is does, I'm just import numpy as np, then x random variable taking x is equal to np dot array 15, 23, 73, 94, 35, 76, 72, 88, 59. How many there are? There are 9 items is there. Okay. So what would be the result? Okay. 15, 23, 73, 94, 35, 76, 72, 88, and 59. We have to find x 3 is to 5 means index value starting from 3 and positioning values for till 5. This will be positioning value and this will be indexing value. So 15, 23, 73, 94, 35. 0, 1, 2, 3. Index value 3 means starting
94.
from 94. Okay. And that was the positioning value 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So positioning value is 35. So it just only print 94, comma 35. Index value 3 is 95, 94 and positioning value 5 is 35. See, just here run it. See, 94, comma 35. Everybody clear array indexing?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
that
sir.
is the thing. Little bit different when we slicing, joining. There will be some, it's a little bit difficulties, but no worry. Please just make basic clear and then moving on. Now I'm remove it. Okay, you please write down in your system the example or in your notebook. Do it. We move on to the multi-dimensional arrays. Fetching multi-dimensional arrays. Okay, that's the previous thing already done. Okay, I have done everyone. Now this fetching multi-dimensional arrays. Okay, fetching multi-dimensional arrays. Just you can see it is just like previous one. We just create a array. Okay, create a array, then print it, then print its dimension. Okay, one from after 1D array, this is 2D array, 3D array, 4D array, and upper any higher order arrays. So that will be multi-dimensional arrays. I am already explained it. It's just normal thing that fetching multidimensional array, how we create, we already see that we create just like making the square brackets or also putting up the values, then n d min we also doing that. 3 means the dimension 3, it will be show us with the respective elements a three-dimensional array. Okay, and find out the dimension, the oh sorry, n dot dim. It will be show us a sorry n dim. It means we when fetching the number of dimension. ND means when we creating arrays of a perfect or a particular dimension, and ND means when we fetching how many number of dimension. So these two things, please make sure you are clear about that. Now we are moving on. The change shaping means it would be 2D array, not 1D to 2D, not 2D to 3D. But whenever in a 2D model, we can change its shape. Means let's thinking about a 2D array with taking four elements. Okay. Uh, I will make it into two elements 2D array where the two elements will conditioning four type of argument. Means what I am actually say, this would be a 1 2 3 4 5. This is an array and this is also an array, 8 9 10. This is a 2D array. Okay, so in reshaping, what we actually do, we actually let taking this 1 2, okay, 3 4 5 6, then again 7 8, then 9 10. Means not its dimension it's changed, but the shape. Means 2D array consisting two elements, in single elements will provide five elements or 5 0D arrays, you can say. To convert it 2D array, 5 elements with consisting two each of 2 0D arrays. यहाँ पर 5 करके 0D arrays है. ओके, एक सिंगल और 1D array के अंदर. तो 2 elements is there, 5 0D arrays in a single array, another 5 elements or 5 0D arrays in a single array. Okay, and total it makes 2D array. So हम reshape करके we will change after shaping or reshaping, we make same dimension would be same 2D array, but two elements convert into 5 elements, and each single elements or each single 1D array will consist only two 0D arrays. Previous one, two elements consist 5 0D arrays. After changing, 5 elements consist minimum two 0D arrays. So this is called reshaping. Okay, how it actually do? See, taking an normal argument. Okay. Oh, no issue, Gayatri. So this is a thing, x is equal to np dot array. We are providing the values that we created with for the second 2D array and print it. Just a simple array creation. Now, what we build up, the keyword. Okay, so these things actually main you have to remind. Reshape, dot reshape. This is a function. Reshape is a function in advanced Python in NumPy that will reshape the array matrix into specified form that will provided by the user. Okay. So here we use reshape function. Reshape 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 means 3 one-day array, 3 1D array. Each 1D array consists of 4 elements, means 4 0D arrays. Okay. 3 1D array, and each 1D array will consist 4 0D arrays or 4 elements. What actually do here? This is the 2D array already provided. Now just another argument, y is equal to x dot using reshape function, reshape reshape function, and we should provided how many array, how many 1D array would be there. Okay, it would be for 3D array, it would be 2D arrays as element. For 2D array, it would be 1D arrays as element. Means the first number would be the element number, smaller version of element number. How you can create, how many you can divide, how many you can shaping, and each of that element will providing how many arguments or how many numbers or how many 0D arrays. So these tools are so to us. Now if we taking one more example, just a minute, control C. Okay, making an example with it. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 12 elements is there. Now I'm providing 6 comma 2. Okay, then print y. See, 6 elements, 6 1D array would be created. Each 1D array will provide 2 0D arrays. See, so in this way we can reshaping a particular dimensional arrays into our requirement. Okay.
So if there are 13 elements or more, then
Okay,
in
is
this
there
case
13
there are,
elements? So how we can
yeah,
do, right? 32, I think. Let's checking it. See.
6,2.
Okay. It would be like use similar type of what actually wrong here? So which is a
Yes,
list
one is
tuple with length. Yes, different length. It
different.
would be not.
Yeah.
Okay. If we put
Okay.
it here 10, then how many is there? 7 plus 7, 14.
14. Yeah. Then it will.
In, oh, no, not this 7, 14 into size. So it will be maintain or
While
verify
also.
upon the number element number. 7, there is 7 number, there is 7 numbers. We can also make it just like that. It also shows us. Okay. And
Okay.
if it 55 means 8, and it is also 47, 8, 8, 16. 16s we can make 4 into 4. Yes, we can make 4 into 4. We can make 2 into 8. Okay. We can make 1 into 16. Just like
It
that.
depends on the length only, no?
Yes. Depends upon the length.
Length. Yes, sir.
So main thing, we use reshaping function. We it upon depending on the length of a particular 1D array of the, or you can say the length of the element, just like you can divide it and make the separation of array. Okay. So this is the shaping, or you can say reshaping of a particular array of a specified dimension. Now, the most interesting things. Okay, just note it as quick as possible because there are so many things. Okay, do it. I hope previously I think that I just give you some of the function basic, okay, not detail. But later when I making these resources, I think that till U function there would be a uh, more modified version of NumPy U function. So that part would be not I am covering. I will share you the things. You please check. Already provided you the notes. You please check their U function because it not so much usable. And one thing is also there. I think Poisson distribution, Gauss distribution. I hope you heard right. Poisson distribution, binomial distribution, in the probability.
Yes, sir.
Anybody here? So this function also do it NumPy. Okay. So if it is necessary, I will show the Poisson Gauss distribution by binomial distribution in NumPy. Otherwise, there are little bit so many things. We get specified row, specified column, then at sorry arithmetic operation in there, then sorted, selection, slicing. So this actually we need in NumPy for the operation things. Okay, shaping done. All taking the note, shaping.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now, how we get the specified row? Okay, that means two, 5, 4, 8, 17, 23. This is a single arrow, sorry, array. 7, 25, 6, 3, 11, 27. This is another 1D array and it both combinedly 2D array makes. Okay. In matrix form, if we see it in matrix form, this is a row, this is a row. Okay. This is columns. This is columns. So we provided specified row. We provided specified row means 2, 5, 4, 8, 17, 23, 7, 25, 6, 3, 11, 27. So what we are writing here, the syntax x 1 comma this. This means I am asking all the elements in index or row index number 1 or row index number 1 means if this is a 1D array, this is another 1D array, the row its row index is 0, its row index is 1. Okay, and dot dot dot, just like it is continue to do. So here I am asking row index is 1 means this row, it will show us this answer. See, if we want, okay, I'm creating another example. Just a minute. Control C V. Okay. Creating another 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 40, 50, 60. Oh, 6, 110. Okay. This is another row or another element you can say we added in a 2D arrow. Okay. Now, if we provided 2 run, it will show us this 10, 20, 30. This is the actual array, numpy array, 2D array we have just printed because print text, and we searching the row index 2 means this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, 2 row index 2. If we find out this, what it means, 2 row index first element till fifth element till third element. Understood? I'm repeating again. First of all, we are creating. Where's the mic? Okay. So first of all, we are creating a 2D array with 3 1D array, each 1D array consisting of 6 elements. Okay. Total 18 elements are there. So first 2, 5, 4, 8, 17, and then 23. Second 1D array is 7, 25, 6, 3, 11, 27. Third 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 6, 1, 10. Okay. Now, when we write print, not printing this. When we write 1, comma, this means it is printing row index 1 is index of a particular row. Which row is there in indexing 1? It will show us that output. Okay, means this row is starting from first row is index 0, second row is indexing 1, third row is indexing 2. Okay, so it will print
Hello?
this thing. Hello.
So in this case, the third row will also get print down, that 10, 20, 30.
No, actually, yes. In this case, it also print. In this case,
Yeah.
but here it not printing. It actually print the only one indexing row. Okay,
Why?
not
Because
like
we
that
didn't get,
string.
no,
Okay,
we didn't
Sir,
get
I have
any
a
number now
question.
after.
just like see,
Yeah,
we
no, it's
provided here a comma for the particular one index.
okay.
In the string slicing, you see I am not providing any type of comma, but
Yes,
here
sir.
I am providing comma. If you don't provide comma, then it will
Okay,
print
then.
the both two. Okay, it means from one index to two. Okay,
Hmm.
but when we provided comma, it means particular one index value or particular one index row. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, Sampath, tell me.
Sir, here row starts index number and column start position number.
You can say like that for your understand. That row start with index number, column start with position number. It
Because
also do because
is to up
yes, when you see that we provided it like that, then we print 2,
four
then it
two.
will print 7,25. So
25.
7,25 means 7,25 means, see, we starting one indexing value, okay, and till we print 25. So why should it printing with positioning, right? If we
Okay.
print that thing, we will start printing from 725, 630, 3, 11, 27.
The
But
whole number.
if we print this, why it printing 7 and 25? Now say
Okay.
from your side. Now say everybody, why it printing 7 and 25? I'm asking.
So we have to
From
print
the first,
two values. So it's print two and sorry.
Is it printing first two values?
not only from the first row, then from the first array till the second item.
When we print here,
It's
see,
showing the 700.
same thing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Actually, it started from not positioning. Okay. No positioning things is there when we provided this thing, comma, because for the particular row fetching, we use comma, and when if you don't use comma, then it will fetch from one indexing row to rest of it. Okay, it print like that, as we have done yet in the string portion, string operation. But here when we provided this thing, it mentioned the particular one indexing row. Okay, so that happened. Now we move on, colon, then 2 means it starting the value, not positioning, also indexing. How? Okay, separate this thing. Separate this thing. And okay, just a minute. This thing. What will be the number? 1. Okay, 7, 25. Okay. 6, 3, 11, 27. Okay. So this is the indexing. This is the indexing row. Now it will start 1 and 2. Here the number will written here, so little bit confusion me also. Okay. So actually these things just make sure. Starting from 1, 1 would be provided as the index of a row, and after that number we have putting down, it will provided us how many number are there. You can, for the understood purpose or as your own, if we like to understand easily, you can remind that from starting the count number, okay. There is a little bit confusion because did 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, so also we taking this as a number, so there is a little bit mistake. But when it would be the array indexing, first number would be row index, and the second number would be how many number you want to count till date, how many number you want to count till date. As per Sampath told, for his remind, it will be column that count with the positioning value. For other people, how many count number you should like to print, you also remind like that. But these things is upon you, how can you actually understood or how can you remind. Okay, so I am again revise it because till here it is little bit confusing. After getting specified row, first of all we creating a array, nd array using numpy, print it. Then when we provide it like that, It means one index, one row index, specified one row index, it will print. If we do this, not putting comma, it means starting from row index 1
Row index one
and
till
it
the
print all the rest of the rows or
index.
elements, you can say. Now this thing means in the row indexing 1 or indexing value 1, which row are there, then upon whenever number you have been put here, if will be 2, it will be 3, I am putting here 3, it will print first 3 numbers. For you remind, you can say column values are starting from positioning value. Okay, not from indexing value. You can also remind that, or another way you can remind that whenever we put any value after colon, it will print us the how many numbers from the starting point. How many numbers from the starting point I am providing, it will print us. So this is the summary to find specified row. Any confusion?
Mhm. So in the
No, sir.
second one column, if we print put like three in the second one.
Here,
No, in the part which you written in this
here.
that no, in the red one which I
Okay,
written, no?
where?
In the second one,
Uh,
x equals to one comma
oh, okay,
colon.
okay.
If we
Let's check.
print like
Let's check. Let's check. What it print? It
the
print
first
total.
row itself, yeah,
It print total. If we think this and this, see, if we print this, no changes of value. Because why it changes? Because you don't provide it comma. You just provided the indexing number of a row, and it will print the
okay,
whole rest of the things, na? Okay.
yeah.
If we provided 0, it will print whole 3. So that's
Hmm.
why it upon not verified. So specifically, if we wanted to work any arguments or any number, it is mandatory to provide it comma. So it is specified. Specifically, array will be so much importance there when we putting
Yes, sir.
comma. Okay, anybody any query for the row purpose? Okay, I am moving on to the get specified column. With me, please guys, you note it down because there is a little bit time, so much things in there in advanced Python. So please, with me, you please write down. Now, okay, here just we reshaping things will be written here. You also do it, see, creation of array, then reshaping accordingly the length of an array. Then after that, we just provided how many things is there. It just like previous, not any important. So moving on to the next, get specified column. Okay, just print. For sorry, for the specified column, we would like to start that way. Okay, sorry, x there colon then comma index value. Okay, so this is 0 indexing column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the index, so it will print just like that, 5. 525, 525 only, and show horizontally. See, if we taking this, Control C into this. See, this is the 2D array. We fetching one indexing column. It will show us 525, but in horizontal. Now, if we want to fetching this, same 8 and 3, same print. Now, if we think this, what it actually do? Printing whole the things. Why? Because then it is taking from 0 indexing. So I understand.
Yes, yes.
If we not starting provided 0 index or not providing any comma, then actual the rule happening for the
Right.
string operation or any other things. Okay, it will showcase it's taking 0 as a index value for starting and show the result for whole array, not any dividation, not any another things. So for this we must provided comma for particular array operation. Now if we do like this, what it actually do? No, nothing printed. Okay, 3, nothing printed. Okay. So for the column specification or finding the particular column value, we just putting this syntax, remind this syntax, X, then third bracket or square bracket, colon, comma, the index of a column, particular column. It would be 4, it would be 3, it would be 5. Okay, taking 5.
Yes.
So this way we can separate the value of a particular column, or we can find the specified column from a array.
So first space will be always be blank space, like
Yes,
before
yes,
columns.
yes, 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 yes. For specified finding specified value in a column.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, there is also minus 5.
Yes, 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 yes. There, I will do it later. Here also, then the slicing, minus slicing,
Yes.
negative slicing. I also show it.
Oh.
One thing. 2, 3 is not print, only row 0 to 1. Which, Mehul, which example can you please tell me? Which current example? Oh, okay. 2, 3, why not printing? Okay, you can see it is 1. Yeah. So that's why I'm not explaining till now. Because first one is actually the, as you see, the previously I'm showing it. The first one is already indexing. And as we want to find the column, particular column, specified column, so when we provided 1 at first, is actually work as like what can I say, a column thing. Means 1 is indexing, so this is the index value of a row, and the third value 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 is showing us. Understand, Mehul? When we previously putting any number, yeah, values from the rows, all rows, values from all rows from row 1 to remaining row, and from the column index 3. 1, see, this thing means,
So when you put 0, then it will give output as 8.
see, let's check.
Yeah.
When we put output 0, but not here providing any type of comma, so actually it shows us 8, 3. Okay, understand? when we previously putting out any number, it actually works like row operation, not like column operation. Okay, I am repeating again this thing, just a minute, because 2 5 4 8 4 8 17 23 7 25 6 3 11 27. Okay, let's check one by one. When we run this, it will show us the 8 comma 3. Actually, 1 minute. Yes, 8 comma 3 means indexing value 3 column. Indexing value 3 column, it will show us the output. Indexing value 3 column, it will show us the output. 0 1 2 3. Okay, this is the index. The round marks is the index. So it is the output as this. As horizontally, it will show us the output. Okay, whenever we provide any number here, let's check 4, it will show just like 7 11 17 11. Okay, now if we do here 0, okay, what it show? See,
Same.
any changes?
No, sir.
When we provide here 1,
Sir, can
there
you
it
put
yes,
both column?
both comma, yeah, colon.
Yeah, both side of column.
Oh, both side of colon. That
Yes,
is the
sir.
step things.
One comma, colon, comma. No, sir. No two column.
Oh, you
One
said
comma.
One
yes,
column,
just like
yeah.
that.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
check. No.
Together.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. No, too many indices for array. Okay.
Array studio, but treat.
Okay, it just
So,
not
but it's meaning,
taking.
sir,
Yes,
it's shown too many indices for
indices.
array
Yes,
stored
yes.
indices
Hmm.
for
But
array
3
stored
is
3
indexed. Indexed means
means
this supposed to be 1 comma, means it takes 1 indexing row and 2 indexing row. But here only 2 things. If we see here 0 comma 1, let's check. See, it shows us these things type of error. Okay,
yes, sir.
but if we not providing this thing, it will show us 5 comma 25, this column indexing, 1 indexing column value. If we show it 1, it will only show 25, means 1 indexing row, 1 indexing
One
column.
indexing column.
So this thing will be so. Again, if we provided 0 comma 1, it will the provided whole row, not happening again. 0 indexing, 1 whole row. Okay, but if we take this, it just show 5 comma 25 and whole in column indexing. Okay, whole column indexing.
If we print like colon 1 comma colon uh, comma 1 column, that's like that.
Okay, let's
Like
check
if it
this. Let's check this. Nothing printed, just printing the
one
first
computer.
one.
Yeah.
So this some
So,
predefined. Yes.
so like take one more 1D array, like like
Okay.
we have here two. Yes.
Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 element. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay.
So
Now
this
tell.
is necessary, like we have same number of elements in three arrays.
No,
Like six
any nine. Yes, yes, 6 element. How I am telling that to print the matrix form, the depend upon the length. Okay, just taking this. See, oh, 1 minute.
Okay, sir. Like we have in the matrix. Okay, sir.
See,
So it
lengths or
should be
shape.
like 1 into 1, 2 into 2,
Yes,
3
yes,
into
shaping,
3. Okay,
shaping,
sir.
shaping. Already shaping. You can
Oh,
cross into 4 into 3. Okay, means 4 elements, 4 1D array. Each element would be 3. That's
okay,
how
sir.
you can take.
That's
Okay.
different. Okay, sir.
Yes, that's how you can take. But all the 1D array to making 3D array or 2D array, the element number should be same
Okay, sir.
because it transfers into matrix form. See, now Sefali, tell what operation you would like to do.
So like X
Yes,
braces.
yes,
Yeah, sir. 2 colon
2 colon,
comma
comma,
3.
3. Okay.
And so
Means
now if you give
2, that means 2 indexing row
yes, sir.
and 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 40.
And now
40
sir, if you
indexing
give
column.
1 instead of 2, sir.
1 instead of 2, check.
Yes, sir.
3 and 40. 1 instead of
Okay, sir.
2 means it's starting in the one row, one indexing row, and then it checking the number 3 indexing column value. This
Yes,
is
sir.
3, this is 40. If I am explaining in the right side, this thing, 2, 5, 4, 8, 17, 23, 7, 25, 6, 3, 11, 27, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. Doing this, and see everybody, 1 is 2, comma 3. No, first of all, we doing this. Okay. 8, 3, 40 means 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index. It will give us output indexing 3 column values in a horizontal form. Done. Now, this thing. Here, 1. Okay. Sorry, first of all, 2. Run 40. It means 0 row index, 1 row index, 2 row index. 2 row index, 3 column index. The value 40. Okay. 2 row index, 3 column index. The value 40. Output done. Now, if we put here 1. 340. This means 1 is the row index. Okay. And in the column portion, 3 would be the column index of also 3. The column index also 3 provided the value 3 itself. Okay. So it will show 3 and 40 value together. It will show 40 value together. For particular, if we maximize the arrays in one another, then we put 2, then it will print both last 2. And if we put print 1, then it will print last 3. So that means whenever the number of elements or number of 1D array there, whenever we provided the last indexing row, okay, it only showcase us the particular indexing column value. Means 2 is the last row index. Here, when we provided this thing, it will print us just only 40. But when we provided a row 1 indexing, it will provided us 3 and 40 together. Now you clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any issue?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Now we want to check specify value from a numpy array. Want to check specify value for a numpy array. It would be easy, just like that. No colon here, only comma. No colon is used here, only comma. 2, 5, 4, 8, 17, 23. 7, 25, 6, 3, 11, 27. Okay. This is two both single 1D array and combinedly means this. It will mix a 2D array. We fetching the value of that we like to print 1, 5 means 1 is indexing of the row and this is the positioning value. Sorry, 1, 5. Okay. One minute, just checking. Yes. So here, sorry.
Sir, you did not start indexing from 0. Yeah, sir.
No, not
Here is
here
0
with
and
0 start.
25.
Here
Yes, sir,
we
it is
start
correct.
we from 1. We start here from 1.
Yeah, sir. 0 is 7 and 1 is 25, 2 is 6,
Yes,
and
yes,
third is 3, then 50, 27. It is correct.
yes, yes. If we print here, because there are no 2 index,
Yes, sir. There is not more than 2 rows. Yeah.
if we print 0, it will print 23. And here for this thing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So finding or fetching the value, it also starting from index, just like the row indexing number.
Yes, sir.
If we put again 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, print 15. If we provided it 4, it will print 85. So in this way, we can find out the specified value or specified number of a numpy array. Any numpy or any dimensional numpy array. Now, if we want to update of a specified value in a numpy array using this example, okay, here we just want to print showcase 1, 5 in one indexing row and 5 indexing column, which value is there 27. See, 27 is the value. Now I want to change this value. I want to change this value. So just put it the number or the value you want to change and print. it will show us. Again, index, taking this value, comma, okay. Now print x, comma, 2, comma, 4. Okay. 85 is the 2, comma, 4 value. Now I want to change this 85 2, comma, 4 value into 100. Okay. And then print x. See, it will changes the value. 2, comma, 4 value was what? 85 previously. Now it is 100. So in this way, you can update a particular space value. You can update a particular specified value in a particular position, and then you want print accordingly. You can do that. Now, update multiple values in a specified column in a NumPy array. Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
Hello. Sir, can you show me again the code only once?
Okay.
I have to note it.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Yeah, one second, sir. Okay, sir. I complete.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Update multiple values in a specified column in a NumPy array. Okay. Step by step, we am doing it. Copy. This is array we have created now, just like previous one. Okay. 2. Index value 2, we want to see 4, 6, that is printed here. Now we update this value. Okay, this whole column value we want to update. Not like previous way we can do that. The previous way is a first way to update a particular positioning value. Okay, as your wish. It is another way. It is another way. How can you update it? We create within this 1D array a 2-dimensional array, and after that, using same formula for fetching specified column value, colon, comma, 2. Indexing 0, 1, 2 means 4, 6 or 4, 6. It will show us 4, 6. Now, this position 4, 6, we want to change. This position particularly, we want to change in different values. Okay. Here, I will change it 810125. Okay. Copy, then paste, then print x. See, it will changes two indexing column values into our new giving values, that is 8, 10 and 125. Now, if we want to change this particular any particular indexing column value into same values, means both upper or lower value, both upper or lower column value would be same. It would be 100, it would be any number, 20, 50, not two different number. Then what we do? Same things, same indexing column, the property, and simply not giving two values, not using any square bracket, just putting out single value that is repeatedly used in both upper column and lower column also. Here, previously I am using 4 indexing column, just taking 5. Now taking 5 indexing column and then print X. See, here, this is the 5 indexing column. After upgrade into 2 position, into 2 indexing position, it will update. Now update the 5 indexing position. See, both upper column and lower column value is updated into 1 to 1. Both upper column and lower column updated into 1 to 1. So what is the summary? First of all, this is previous one. Okay. When we do it in this, this 4, 6 value changes into 8, 10 and 1 to 5. Okay. When we do this thing and not giving separate value, just similar 1 to 1, this is 5 indexing column value, means 23 and 27. It updated into same value in lower column and upper column both. Understand everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Write down it. Okay, in between I am sending you the attendance link for note it down. Previous attendance I'm collecting. Okay, this is new attendance form. Okay. Okay. See, I'm already provided in the chat box. Please fill it up, all of you. Now we just go to up-to-date value in a row or in a column. Okay, in a whole row or in a whole column, we have to up-to-date. Simple. We previously have done in a particular position, in a row, in a column, or in a particular position, how we can update. Now we can see if we want to update whole row, okay, or whole column, we can do that likely. As previously we show, same example, 2, 5, 4, 8, 17, 23, 7, 25, 6, 3, 11, 27. For the row purpose, okay, x 1, comma, colon. Okay, we want to update this into 100, means 100. So this is the 0 indexing row. This is the 1 indexing row. If we do this, the whole values of this 1 indexing row turns into 100. Turns into 100. If we want to change in any number, okay, not like 100, if we want to print 879, we also do that. If we want to change particular column, update value in a column, particular column, can we do that? Yes, we obviously do that. For that reason, x square bracket, comma, just like previous one, this thing, and the indexing column number. Let's check 3. Here, this is 0 indexing column, 1 indexing column, 2 indexing column, 8, 3 is the 3 indexing column, and updated the things with any number, means 200. If we do this, the whole value 8 and 3 together will changes into 200. If we put this thing, upper portion updated into 200, lower portion updated into 50. Okay, giving example this thing again. See, okay, now 149 and just delete it, print text. See, 2 indexing column, here 2 indexing column, but we want to update 3. Okay, see, 3 indexing column changes into same value 149. If we provided same, means not the same value, 149 comma 257. If we do like that, it will changes the 3 indexing column value into 2 different things, 2 different values. If anyone want to say, sir, we can do for the column also. For that reason, please changes this. See, it is manually changes, and the previous that I am see here, for a particular positioning, you can change it. And here you can change it like manually. See, I'm changing the row value for one indexing row all by manually that number I am given here. Understood? Update value of a column, update value of a row.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next page or next sheet we are going. In between, please fill up the Google form for the attendance. This sheet is visible, right? Day 2 sheet.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The previous one is the example of 1D array. This is the array creation. This is array creation, 1D array. This is 2D array. Just giving example again. And this is 3D array. And this is how we can create higher dimensional array, as already we have seen. Not wasting any more time. Now we go for the all zero matrix. How we can create all zero, all one matrix, or any type of matrix. Okay. Or any random matrix we can create here. For that reason, first of all, we have to import Numpy as NP. Import Numpy as NP. Then the syntax for zero matrix creation. Short form of Numpy NP dot zeros. Then the size 3, 3 or 4, 4 or 2, 2 as your wish. Then data type. Here all data type would be like int 32 because we are doing it with 32-bit bytes. Okay. If we run it, see, the matrix, zero matrix is created. Zero matrix is created. Okay. If we changes it into 5, 5, see, if we changes it into 5, 3, it also do that. We changes it into 2, 3, it also do that. To create zero matrix, this is the syntax. First is short form of numpy, that is np. Then zeros. This is also a argument, also a syntax to making zero matrix. Zeros. Then parenthesis open, the given the size of the matrix, any size, not 1, 1, after 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, any size you want to provide it, then comma data type int 32. Okay. In this way, you can create zero matrix. Okay. Same as creation of one matrix. Okay. One matrix. No changes in index, just np dot ones. Wait a minute. Okay, sorry guys. So that is np.ones. Okay. And then the size of the matrix as your wish, 2, 3. Then d type already provided. Okay. Int 32. This way you can create one matrix. Now, number 3. Particular value matrix for all things. Particular value matrix np dot full. Remind these things. Remind, I am repeating, say, remind these things. Zeros, ones, ndim, in, dmin, reshape, save, and this numpy also consisting furthermore. So these things only in numpy, then panda, then seaborn, then matplotlib. So I want to say Python is easy, but it is so much vast like any other language. Okay. Because if you don't understand the basic things, you can't do any further more difficult project. So np.full, putting down the size 3, 4, then comma, then which value you want to give for whole matrix. I hope just 115, then run it. Here I am just using 20. It will show us the whole 20 value matrix. For zero matrix using zeros. For one matrix using ones. For full single value, particularly single value to the thoroughly to the matrix, we use full. Okay. This is the main thing. Remind and note it.
So
yes.
In the D type, we just write in 32, or we can write like the float or char, any other.
See, these things also I am also doing like this. Okay, you please check.
Okay.
Whatever you want to experiment, you please check. If it is run, then obviously no issue, you can do it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Here we also, there random value, I am showing it in the random value. See, making array. left it. This thing left it. I am telling about the last, but this making array by random values. Okay. Check whether with your system anytime, any moment you print it, the values will change because it takes any random value. It takes any random value. See, understood? If we provided here comma d type is equal to these things int 32. Okay. See, okay, cannot assign to function call. Okay. Okay, I'm experiment these things, but not happening here.
Sir, can't you give random.rand int function?
Yes, you can do that also for
Integer
this.
values.
No, they're no showing anything.
Okay, sir.
Why is showing 4 here in the output?
I also don't know because I'm experiment these things.
Okay.
See the value change. If with this thing 7,3 also changes the value. Anytime, any moment it changes. Random taking value from the system. It just taking value from the system. And the previous one that I am actually told you for left, it is the array, 1D array. Now we want same array, okay, same array, x is equal to np full like y, these things and 10. Then what happen? It will changes the value of x. Y. It will changes the value of y. Okay. And edited with 10, then print. Remove it. Now run. See 1, 2, 0, 2, 0, 22, 52, 5. Just like previous one. Okay. And this thing cut and paste. Now we print x. Run. It will edited and print all the values by 10. So another argument or another syntax, dot full underscore likely. So in this way, you can find many function in Numpy. It is no necessary or a person cannot remind all the functions in a Numpy library. After using practice, you can taking one at a time function and then use it accordingly. Okay.
So in this
Yes.
one, the last
Yes, full
program.
likely. Yes.
Yeah. In this, y should be print 2 times, no? Like first we print y, and then we give the
Yes.
y x equals to
Yes. This print y. Print y.
Yeah, and then we said that x equals to np dot full likely y 10.
No,
It means
it means it changes all the values of y into 10.
okay. So so I understand. Yeah.
This means all the values of y transferred into
Transfer
10.
to x. Yes.
Yes.
Like
10.
1 to 10 to 10.
Yes.
Okay.
All 10. Then it will print x.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So okay. Till this thing, we last making array by random integer number. So Sefali, okay, I am not describing previously why randint is showing wrong. Now you see here.
Okay, sir.
Now you see why that was previously wrong, because we just provided randit function but not providing in which area it taking the integer value. Okay, in which portion it taking the integer value means the borderline. Here I just print the function random.randint and provided us a area 1, 100, a barrier. Okay, between 1, 100 it takes any number of values and providing him the size 4, 4. It will print random matrix taking integer value. Okay, random matrix taking any random integer value. Again, taking another example,
So
copy.
this program and the above program almost is same now, but we have to just give
Yes, yes,
size
yes.
over here.
Yes,
And
means for the if you want to take any random value, not particularly
mm,
in integer, then going with the random.rand and then the size, because
okay, if so,
yes, tell Sam.
if we write in the above that rand int the bracket
Yes,
7 comma 3
yes.
and 7 3, and then we just write a size, so then it will run above code.
No, because from where, see size,
Size and
because here already 7,3 means the size.
okay, okay,
Here 7,3 means already is the size. What is the difference between these two? Because here we using rand and here randit
hmm.
function. For
Random
rand
function.
function, it actually taking the data or taking the values randomly from the computer system, and it
Mm-hmm.
actually moreover the floating values. Okay,
Yes,
not
sir.
like, see here, in whenever you trying this example, never it will find out any integer value, randomly taking the floating values. But to taking the integer value, we taking randit function. For that purpose, we give the barrier, we give a line from which barrier you can take the input values. If we print it like that, and make it like this, see, from where you can
Any
taking
number,
the barrier any means the you can bring a cross line 100 to 200, 200 to 300, any integer,
300.
and it
Yes, sir.
randomly taking number and making the matrix.
Matrix. Yes, sir.
Understand everybody till
Yes,
now?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So yes, yes, Gayatri.
Sir, can we make the matrices by our own specific values? Because
Yes,
we use
you
rand method to create a matrix.
hmm?
Uh, as this, can we create like this? We can specify the values for matrices.
For the specific value matrices, actually we are calling these matrices because, but it is actually the 2D array na,
Yes, sir.
2D array. So in the previous one, just like 2D array creation, 3D array creation, I just putting manually, you can do like that when I create in the previous one,
Yes, sir.
to create 2D arrays and 3D arrays. And in the zero or this thing, in the zero matrix, one matrix, two matrix, see, you can create also like that for 0, 1, 2. And specifically this is one example, and just like creating 2D, 1D, 3D or higher values, higher dimensional values, you also do like that. For the specified value, if you want to create any matrix, it will manually you type.
Okay, sir.
Okay, random.rand one function, and another one is for specifically integer, random.rand int. So this is the values, full likely to change, specifically row values all zeros for all zero matrix, ones for all ones matrix, then full for a particular value with it full matrix, random.rand taking random value from the system, random.randint taking the integer value to a particular barrier, and then create any random matrix. Till now, everybody understand, I hope, for today's class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. I will update the videos, previous one and today. And next class will be Wednesday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank
I
you,
hope
sir.
everybody.
Sir, once again,
Yes.
sir, I want to